over the last 10 years, I think we've seen a significant shift in the importance and mindset of patient experience. What was really a focus on service and connectivity with patients has become something much more important.
Patient experience is the sum of quality, safety, and how we care for people.
I think we need to start with clarity of purpose. Organizations really can be challenged if individual components are pursuing their own agendas and really not thinking about how they all tie back to the mission.
Let's replace experience that was service, how nice are you to me, with the whole package.
What we've learned to do quite well over these last few years is stop looking at things in silos and start looking at things together. It provides, I think, a roadmap for a team to look at everything holistically and in an integrated way.
Caregiver engagement is critical for us to deliver on our mission. If you assume that the safety and quality results depends on the patient engagement and patient experience, to have a provider who's emotionally exhausted, it's almost impossible for them to make that personal connection and give the emotion that is required to make that engagement happen.
At Mayo Clinic, we've crafted this concept where we meet with every medical unit's practice leadership twice a year to address the questions that the providers have, but also have some guidance as to how to improve.
When we drive engagement to a higher level, when people are walking to work every single day, engaged around their work, satisfied with their work, we know that safety is better, quality is better, experience of care is better. And ultimately, we also know that we become better stewards of the organization.
Data integration across safety, quality, and experience, I think, is incredibly powerful. If we can find the units where that is done exceptionally well, where you see safety, engagement, patients' perceptions of care in the top decile, we need to understand what makes those units, what makes those leaders tick, and then we have an underpinning for how to spread change.
Patients with better experience during a particular encounter will have less healthcare utilization and less complications after that encounter.
So we're really in a constant state of experimentation. I'm learning all the time about unique things people have tried, primarily because they understand what they're supposed to do. They have to deliver high quality and safety, they have to keep their costs low, they have to engage patients. So our job is to try to discover those things that are working well and then generalize them and also celebrate them.
I think one of the keys to our success in breaking down silos a little bit and getting myself and others to interact with colleagues and different departments that impact the employee experience is just to be a lot more communicative.
One of the most common causes of safety events in hospitals across the country today are failure to communicate or failure to communicate effectively. Well, clearly, improving communication also drives experience of care. But when we invest resources in improving communication overall, we're not just driving one, we're driving all three.
I think it's very important to make sure your message is crisp and clear, to make sure that the goals you're pursuing resonate with people's core values around patient care, and you can't do it alone.
Healthcare is undergoing an amazing transformation, and we need to be in the forefront of that, in not letting those winds push us, but we need to be out there, and I think Ganey is a partner that can help us do that.
We should take the functions of safety, quality, experience, and align them and ask, where does the voice of the patient fit better than it has previously? And then dig in and get it done.
Our focus on improving safety, improving quality and experience of care, how we are transforming our organizations to better meet not only the needs of patients, but truly the needs of consumers. And there has never been a more exciting time in healthcare to think differently about what we do for the people we serve.